Hi, I'm Casey Atkinson with Willie Driving School here in Logan, Utah. I'm going to talk to you about some basic tips for driving an automatic car. So when you're actually on the road, here are some tips. Make sure, if you're going to shift gears or change the reverse, make sure you come to a complete stop before you do that. Don't drive down the road, slow down a little bit, and then put it in reverse. You can say goodbye to your transmission and a couple $1,000s. So make sure you're really careful, apply the brake, stop completely, then put it in reverse or drive, whatever. And when you're driving and you want to, let's say you want to save gas money, don't put it in neutral and just start coasting. It's not safe because let's say someone cuts you, like someone starts turning toward you and you have to speed up. How are you going to do that in neutral? So it's pretty unsafe. Also, when you park the car, make sure it's in park and it stays in park. Also apply the e-brake in case, I don't know, Godzilla walks by, shakes the earth, and your car starts rolling. Oh, here's a quick tip. When you're reversing, make sure you look back the whole time. Once you stop completely, then look forward.